Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here's the question for this video. A flat board has a circular hole with radius 1 and a circular hole with radius 2 such that the distance between the center of the two holes is 7. Two spheres with equal radius sit in the two holes such that the spheres are tangent to each other. The square of the radius of the spheres is m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. Find mn. Pause this video if you want to answer this question first. Now let's answer this question together. To better answer this question, let's draw a two-dimensional diagram for these 3D objects. In the diagram, we have a flat board with two holes and two spheres that are tangent to each other. First, let's set the common radius to r, and then take the cross-section of the sphere sitting in the hole of radius 1. If we draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord or the hole through the circle, this line goes through the center. For a right triangle with hypotenuse r and base of 1, therefore, the height of this circle outside of the hole is root of r squared minus 1. For the right spheres, we will also do the same for what we do to the left spheres, and find its height above the hole. Therefore, for a right triangle with hypotenuse of r and base of 2, the height of the sphere outside the hole is root of r squared minus 4. Now, if we look closely, we can connect the center of the spheres and then form another right triangle with base of 7. As given by the problem, the height of this triangle is the difference between the height of the parts of the two spheres outside the hole, which is root of r squared minus 1 minus root of r squared minus 4, which is the value of x. Now, we can set up an equation in terms of r with the Pythagorean theorem, where root of r squared minus 1 minus root of r squared minus 4 inside bracket to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 is equal to 2r to the power of 2. We can then continue to work on the equation before we get this value. Once you get this equation, you can divide both sides of the equation with negative 2, where you get 22 minus r squared is equal to the root of r to the power of 4 minus 5r squared plus 4. After that, you can square both sides of the equation in order to eliminate the root equation. After we simplify this equation, we finally got 39r squared is equal to 480. Hence, r squared is equal to 480 divided by 39, or 160 divided by 13. Now, we know that the m is 160 while the n is 13. Hence, mn is equal to 160 times 13, which is equal to 2080. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.